Hi, friends. Nice to see you. My name is Miss Eileen. We have a new story to share with you today. I am so honored to share with you this brand new story. Let's look at this cover page, shall we? Let's take a look. Let's look. What do you see? Hmm. Let's take a look. Let's see. Hmm. When we look at our cover page, we see the title. Can we look at the title? Let's look. The title of the story is Qingming Festival. The story that we are going to read today is called Qingming Festival. Hmm, interesting. The story is written by Pearl Yo, Qinghua, and Eileen Wunderlich. That's me. I am one of the three authors. And the story is illustrated by Siming Liao. Oh, she drew all these wonderful illustration. Look at all the beautiful pictures and drawing. Amazing. Now, my friends, let's take a look. Hmm, what do you see? Let's see. Let's see. What can you see? Hmm, I see green grass. Yes, I see green grass. I see a big tree. I see two trees. Yes. I see lots and lots of mountains. Yes, indeed. Ooh, what are these things? Do you know what they are called? These are called tombstones. Hmm, what are tombstones for, friends? Do you know? Tombstones are usually in the cemetery. They are for people who passed away that they are asleep for a long, long time. And we come and visit them to remember them by. Ooh, maybe this story, Qingming Festival, has something to do with, hmm, has something to do with maybe the tombstone or maybe the cemetery or something about this. Hmm, let's read the story to find out some more. Qingming Festival is coming. Dad is telling a story on how he observed the Qingming Festival when he was a child. Ooh, look! Dad is telling us a story about Qingming Festival. Ooh, let's look. He's telling us a story. So this is actually, this is actually not dad. This is not dad. This is, let's see. When dad was young, so this must be dad. Oh, if this was dad when he was little, hmm, this must be his father, which means, this must be his grandfather. Yeah, and this must be his grandmother. Whoa. So this is a story that dad is telling us about Qingming Festival when dad was young. Wow. I can't wait to hear more about how he observed this festival when he was young. My dad and aunt went to buy some flowers. So this is dad when he was young, and this is his sister. So it's my aunt. Oh, my dad and aunt went to buy some flowers. Oh, whoa. Do you see all the flowers? Do you see all the colors? My friends, can you tell me what colors do you see? Oh, yeah. I see pink flowers. I see yellow flowers. I see purple flowers. They are so beautiful and colorful. My grandparents put the food into a basket. Wow. Grandpa and grandma put food into the basket. Hmm, yummy grapes, yummy apple, yummy chicken for my tummy. Ooh, 青团. Wow, all the food will go inside the basket. Hmm, I wonder where they are going. They rode their bicycles together. Whoa, here's the basket. Wow, they are riding the bicycle. Where are they going? I wonder where are they going? They crossed the river by boat. Wow, they crossed the river by boat. Whoa, that's a long way to go. Oh, they look happy though, right? They look happy. Oh, I can't wait to see where they are going. They made it. Whoa, where are they? Wow, I see. They are at the cemetery. I see. They made offerings to their ancestors. Oh, my friends, do you see? They lay all the food out. Oh, and the flowers too. Oh, by the tombstone. And they are performing a ceremony to show respect to their ancestors and visiting them. I see. Oh, how sweet and how nice. They had a picnic together. Oh, after the ceremony, the family is having a picnic together. They're enjoying the food together. They're having conversation. They're talking to each other. I wonder what they're talking about. I see the nice weather. I see the white clouds. What a wonderful time. Hmm. My dad and aunt learned a beautiful Chinese poem. So grandfather, ooh, super smart. He's teaching them, ooh, a Chinese poem, a beautiful Chinese poem. Ooh, I think the Chinese poem is talking about this village, a beautiful village. Wow, I want to learn too. My friends, this is the end of our Qingming Festival Level 1 story. I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I did. If you and your family observe Qingming Festival, I wish you nothing but a day full of love and peace. I hope that I can see you very soon with a new story. Bye, friends.